Belle Tress has launched 4 brand new styles in their Lux SE collection. I have all 4 and I have them all in the same color, Butterbeer R. I'm going to give you guys a quick overview of these 4 styles in case one of them might catch your eye. They're all available at 𝖾𝗑teti𝖺 right now. I can save you money on them. I love Belle Tress, so I'm honored to be able to show you these 4 styles. So let's get going. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook, and I'm going to timestamp each of these wigs in the description box below. So if you just want to skip ahead to the wig that you want to see, you can go ahead and do that. Or if you'd like to see them all, you can do that too. Л𝗑teti𝖺 is an online retailer that also has in-person wig shops. They are located in the United States and Canada with some of their physical locations, but online in Canada, the UK, which is pretty new, and the United States. So you can shop with them from anywhere. They have huge discounts, live sales every single week, and during the lives, they have really big discounts and giveaways. They have an open box clearance section, so you can save a lot of money off of a open box wig. Some of the wigs I show wind up in the open box clearance because I don't keep them all. You can shop with them anytime, and you can buy all the major name brands. And of course, they carry Belle Tress. Check out the description box below. I'll have a link. I'll have a coupon code. Keep them on your list. Let's kick it off with Donna. Donna has amazing layers, really natural movement because of these layers. Because the Lux SE cap is mostly hand tied, that gives all of the hair up here natural movement because it's all individually hand tied into the cap, and you can wear her with a bang if you want to, but you don't have to, and it is not a super heavy bang, but you can sweep the bangs to the side. Belle Tress makes some of the best lace fronts on the market. They do make some of my favorite lace fronts. So it's a flawless lace front. So you can take full advantage of that if you want to, but you can also wear Donna with a fringe. Let's take a look at her. I have been messing around with her a lot, so she might look a little messy right now, but I do think that's the vibe of this one. She is heavily layered, mid-length. What I love about the length of this is you're not getting a lot of friction on the ends. These are made with heat-friendly synthetic fibers, and because of the length, I think you are going to have a long life with this one. You're not going to need to do a lot of maintenance because what's hard on heat-friendly synthetic fibers is the friction, and this one's not going to get a lot of that. Something to keep in mind about the Lux SE collection, I believe that the wigs in this collection are a little bit of a heavier density than some of their other collections, which gives these a really va-va-voom feel. No permatease though. So you don't have a lot of poof up here, but you do have a good amount of volume. I would say they're more moderate density. And when you factor in some messy waves and some layers, this one looks like a really healthy head of hair. I have a homework assignment for you guys. If you watch through this whole video, I'd like you to guess. There are 2 for sure that I'm considering getting for my own collection and maybe a brunette. I'd like to know which one you think those 2 are. Well, that's Donna. Let's look at the next one. Before we take a look at the next style, let's take a look at what makes the Lux SE cap so very special. This is the inside of the cap of all of these styles. So we have a full monofilament top with no seam, which a lot of full mono tops have a seam, which you can sometimes see, not on these. The lace is extended into the ear tab, and the ear tabs are silicone. We don't have any bulk in the ear tabs at all. They are very thin. So if you are a hair tucker and you struggle with bulk from ear tabs, not on these. If you wear glasses, having ear tabs like this make wearing glasses really easy. We have an extended nape, Velcro adjusters, and then all of this is hand tied. So all across the crown is hand tied. The only wefting is in the very back, and it's closed wefting. It's very small, very close together. These are super lightweight, super stretchy, and with a mostly hand tied cap comes extremely natural movement. If you're worried about somebody feeling the wig on your head, if they touch your head, they are not going to feel the wig. They're going to feel your head. It is so beautiful. as a full-time wig wearer to be able to wear a hand-tied cap and just feel that natural movement. To put my hands in there, it is luxury. Now let's welcome Elsa to the stage. This is Elsa. You can see she's a bit of a shorter style, and we have a lot of layers on Elsa as well. There is a longer front fringe, but you can also cut this one into a full bang if that is your jam. I have a video showing how to use a thinning razor to do that, but you cannot do that as well because she doesn't really have a bang. And here's how she looks all the way around. Where I noticed the little bit of heavier density, I kind of mentioned the Lux SE collection is a little bit of heavier density. I can really feel it back here. Another huge benefit of a hand-tied cap, if you're going to be outside and it's a windy day with the hair blowing all around, first of all, it's going to blow really naturally because it's all hand-tied, but you don't have to worry about seeing any wefting. So if that hair blows, it is just going to give you some peace of mind. So if you have never had a hand-tied cap before, that is one of the benefits of it. She is really stunning. I would say I don't know if it's a complaint. The only thing I've noticed about this one, she's very densely knotted on the top, and I am having a hard time finding a defined part because of sometimes when mono tops are densely knotted, and I do find that Belle Tress does that a lot, you may have to work with it a little bit to get that part to lay right. This kind of wants to spring forward like this. It isn't exactly a face flopper because I can remedy it, but the top does not know where it wants to lay. I have a video showing how to work with that on a Belle Tress wig. I often, for something like this, what I would do is let me grab my comb. I would find my part wherever that is. Because this is a full mono top, you can part it anywhere you want to part it. You are not stuck with a part where it comes, but you may have to work with it. So once you find that part, then you're probably gonna have to take heat to it, some sort of heat source to set that part. A hair dryer can sometimes work great. A hot comb is really great. Whatever you would like to use, you use that. And then sometimes it can be helpful to pluck it if you like to see more down to that monofilament. To pluck it a little bit, that's also going to help set and define that part line. And then it's going to lay a lot more seamlessly on one side or the other of the part. I'll make sure a video is linked below that shows you exactly how to do that. So for me, this one would need a little bit of that to be perfect for me, but once you do it, you're done and you never have to do it again. So Elsa, if you like short styles like this with layers, with a little bit of choppiness to it, she might be for you. Let's look at the next one. Before I introduce you to the next girl, I'd like to talk a little bit about fit. The Lux SE collection from Belle Tress is known for running a little bit larger than average. Not average large, not excessively large, but definitely average to a little bit larger than average. I have to cinch my Lux SE caps in a fair amount, and I do get quite a bit of extra cap up here. Can you see that? That is telling me I have room for more head inside this cap. This is not fitting me snug to my head. Now, because these caps are really lightweight and thin, it is not generally a problem for me. I can wear these with a wig grip and it's comfortable. But if your measurements are a fair amount bigger than mine, you can wear the Lux SE caps. You can find all of my measurements in the description box below and compare them to yours. I would say if you're my measurements or quite a bit larger, I can't really give you a number because it's really hard to know because all of your measurements work together to determine fit. So there's a whole lot of measurements you should have, but if you are larger than me, you can wear these and they do have a lot of stretch. So definitely consider the Lux SE collection if you struggle sometimes with wigs being a little small on you. Let's talk about this girl now. And this girl is Emilia. Again, Butterbeer R, all the same color. This one is also a layered style. So we've got a little bit of a theme going on with layers so far. And are you paying attention? Are you keeping track? Are you trying to determine which ones are some of my personal favorites out of this launch? Donna, the very first one I showed you, is a little bit longer than this one. So if you're trying to determine how is this one different than Donna, this one's shorter. Donna was slightly longer. Not a lot longer, but slightly longer. And again, we've got the fringe. You can wear a full bang. You might need to trim it, but you can wear this one in a full bang. This one is giving me Jon Renau Holly vibes. A little bit. I would say she's got a little bit more layering here, but a similar vibe. This one is, well, I'll be giving it away. She's stunning. Really casual, really throw and go. I think this one's gonna look great with makeup, without makeup. I think you can wear it for knocking around on the weekends and to work and to dinner. I really think this one's one of those great universal transitional pieces. And I did get a fiber in the eye, so excuse me for that, but Emilia, she might have my heart. Let's look at the last style. And finally, the longest of the bunch, Anna. This beautiful Anna. Look at these big barrel curls. Again, a little bit of a fringe. It's long. You could cut a full bang into this one if you wanted to, but she's absolutely not a full bang to come out of the box, at least. Anna is so glamorous, and I also think that Anna would be a great updo wig. So if you're looking for a versatile style, but that's a little bit dressier, maybe fancy hair, or just hair that you appear to have taken time to do, Anna could be the one for you. And she would look stunning in a half up, half down. I think this one would be great in a ponytail. She's got plenty of length for that. With this fringe too, I really love ponytails when you've got a little bit of a fringe around the face, so I think that works. I also think you could put her up in clips, in bobby pins. This one is kind of begging to be styled. And like I said in the beginning, all of these styles have impeccable lace fronts. They all come in other colors. So whether you like yourself a shorter style, a longer style, curls, more straight, I think there's something for everyone in this new launch from Belle Tress. I'll put some details in the description box below, some links, a coupon code. Don't forget about 𝖯. Thanks for watching.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.